Belkin is simplifying how people charge portable devices in any public space. The Boost Charge 8-port charging station makes powering devices convenient and accessible. This compact tabletop-mounted power solution puts an end to tripping over cords and crawling under tables. With 4 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, up to 8 people can connect and charge at once. Securely lock any 3 USB cables to the unit. Its ports are designed to pivot and extend, providing convenience and preventing accidental disconnection. Boost Charge 8-port charging station offers convenient charging for any portable device in any public space.
Modern living requires us to interact with and power a variety of electronic devices. With all of these devices, how are we to keep our living spaces free of clutter? What if every power switch was organized in front of you, with no wires to tangle or trip over? Meet BoxTap, the power strip simplified. In front are the on-off switches. With custom labels, you can easily tell which button relates to which device. Like a power strip, there is a main power switch and individual power switches. In the back, there is a box to organize all of your power plugs. Setup is simple. Simply plug in the main plug. Next, plug in the cords for each device and organize the wires. Close the back lid, and all of your wires are neatly organized. Label the buttons on the front with icon stickers, including the main power switch. Each sticker has a simple icon representing the device it powers. Customizable labels are also available for unique devices. Use the USB ports for devices like your smartphone. Turn on the main switch, and you are all set. With power strips, unplugging to conserve energy can be a hassle. And trying to clean between all those cords can cause wires to fray or tangle. Power strips can be hazardous to children and pets, and also pose a fire hazard when exposed to dust or other flammable materials. BoxTap is safe and hassle-free. BoxTap can be placed conveniently anywhere on your desk and can even be used as a monitor stand. Live a simpler and more organized life with BoxTap.
power strips and adapters are necessary for travel, but they're way too bulky. Whether you're traveling or you just have a lot of gadgets, this is the one for all your needs. This time, we have designed some new features for you. Previously, there was one batch where the soldering was not strong enough. So, in the new MOGICS adapter, we have strengthened the structure, making it even more stable when you're overseas. Through some of your suggestions, we found a way to advance the EU plug to another level. Now, the new MOGICS adapter has you covered in France, Belgium, Czech Republic, and all the countries with Type E sockets, without any additional converter plug. On top of that, we have designed an even more durable carry case. Even in such a compact product, we managed to design a spare 6.3A replaceable fuse inside for extra safety and convenience when you're traveling. Instead of just changing colors for our special edition, we hope to send our thoughts and wishes to you through different designs.
Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the awesome features of the SUPERDANNY vertical power strip. The vertical space-saving design makes this power strip perfect for your desk, office, or just around your house for everyday use. One of the features that really sets this power strip apart from the competition is the double layer of USB power ports. Each of these comes equipped with 2.1 amps per port for 4.2 amps total. This is plenty to charge multiple devices at the same time. A 10 amp breaker switch located on the bottom of the device protects both you and your devices. PC ABS plastic makes this power strip both safer and more durable. It is fireproof, certified to UL V0 standards. One of the features that I really love that SUPERDANNY implemented into their design is a retractable power cord. It's really easy to adjust for whatever length you need. All you have to do is spin the tower. An integrated copper structure makes so that each of the plugs will last around 10,000 times of being plugged in and out. With the 3,000 watt maximum rated capacity, this will certainly meet all of your energy needs. Let's take a look at how we got that number. By using the formula P equals UI, where P is power in watts, U is voltage, and I is the current in amps, you can quickly find how you get to 3,000 watts. If you live in a country where power is rated at 240 volts, we know that you take 240 RU and multiply it by our I, 13 amps, which gives you a total of 3,120 watts. Now, due to power loss in physics, this comes down to around 3,000 watts in reality. In the United States, where voltage is standard at 120, you end up with 1,560 watts of usable power. This is still plenty of power for most uses. The SUPERDANNY Tower Power Strip adapts to any voltage from 110 all the way up to 240 volts, so you'll be set no matter where you live. Additional features that are included in the design are power buttons that help you to control which layers have power at the current time. Each of these have green indicator lights to help you know if they are on or off. Additionally, a handle has been incorporated into the design for your convenience. 3, 4, and 5-tiered options, the SUPERDANNY Tower Power Strip is just what you're looking for. So don't miss out, order one today.
Meet YOUMO, a modular smart power system. Easily snap together different power modules to build a customized power system suited to your specific charging needs. Start with a base cord and snap on a multi-power module. Then customize your YOUMO by adding on more modules. Skip the cables and simply charge wirelessly. Snap on extra USB ports to charge all your portable devices. Snap on the wireless speaker module and listen to music. YOUMO is also interchangeable with international plugs. Switch out the base cord plug when traveling or simply snap in your own YOUMO to a module in another country. Make your life smarter. Communicate with YOUMO with our app to better control and monitor your devices.